This is a case study of how prompt engineering was used to solve a problem. Specifically, I've been having a problem with these videos of background noise when recording the audio. So I posed this problem to ChatGPT. First, I provided some context. I said, I'm having a problem with background noise when recording audio. And you might actually hear one of my dogs barking in the background, providing a different kind of background noise. But I asked, how can I reduce or eliminate background noise? And it gave a number of different examples. And the one that applies most to what I'm experiencing is number 7, utilize noise gates. And it says noise gates automatically mute or reduce the volume of audio below a certain threshold. This can help eliminate low-level background noise during silent moments, which is exactly what the problem I've been having, is low-level background noise during silent moments. And this is just based off of personal experience, just to zoom out and take a 30,000-foot view. When you're solving a problem, defining the problem is very precisely is often difficult, and so you can see there's a lot of different possibilities of what background noise can mean, and really what it is low-level background noise during silent moments is what I'm having a problem with. So then I asked, what is a noise gate? It gave me a very technical explanation that is not necessarily helpful. Really, probably what I should have asked would be something like, what are some of the causes of low-level background noise? So that's in fact what I did just now. So I asked about the causes, and it gives a variety of different causes, all of which frankly sound pretty overwhelming to try to solve, because they deal with a lot of factors that I think I don't have much control over. But it does say that post-processing techniques such as noise reduction can be applied. So I think that's what I'm most interested in. However, what I found was that what ChatGPT said was not particularly helpful, because it has a knowledge cutoff in September 2021. And we know that Bard does not have that same knowledge cutoff. So Bard, I posed the same problem, gave some of the same answers, and again, I drilled down into the noise gate because it's background noise that is only present during periods of silence. That's the problem. And I kind of went off on the wrong direction with Bard again by asking, what is a noise gate? Although it was helpful to say that, just to confirm that this is what I'm looking for. And then I asked whether Camtasia has a noise gate. And it was more helpful than what ChatGPT says, because Bard can access basically items that are indexed in Google search up to the present day without the September 2021 cutoff. And it gave a source. Now, one thing that was interesting about the source is that I had to look at the source. And when I looked at the source, it's interesting because what TechSmith actually calls it, what Camtasia calls noise removal. So I went off on a little bit of a wild goose chase looking for something called noise gate, which there isn't anything in Camtasia called noise gate, but there is an audio effect called noise removal. And to make a long story short, using the directions in this help article, I was able to use this noise removal tool to reduce the background noise. So Google Bard for the win. If this video is valuable to you, please click the like button and also subscribe to this channel. In addition, please consider becoming a patron of AI Bootcamp or buying me some brain fuel using the links in the video description.